Hi, it's Michelle Eaton from michelleeaton.com, and in this video we're going to look at how to take a screenshot in Camtasia 9. So this is a strange one. I'm recording with Camtasia Studio 8 recorder while I'm editing in Camtasia 9. What's happening is I want to do some annotations and say something about a certain point in this video, but if I play it, it's only on for about a second. I need that screen to be on longer. You see, it was gone, so I need that. I want this screen, so I need to take a screenshot of that and put it at the front of this piece of footage. So we're going to share and then down to export frame as. Yep, that's fine as a PNG. I'm just going to save it there because that is where my project is. Now if I navigate to the folder, there it is, Google Drive to iMovie. So now I can just drag that into my timeline, move this footage over, put that in, and it should be pretty seamless. See if that's long enough. I can always expand it. Yeah, I'm going to make that a bit longer. Oh, cool. So that's how we do it. Rather than me having to go back, finding where I was and record it again, that gives me time to say something, put the annotation in where I want to. So that's how you do it in Camtasia 9. I think in Camtasia 8 it was in the file menu and it was in produce special, but in Camtasia 9 the options have changed. So it was in share, so it was export the frame as or export audio only. So if you wanted to export your audio into to edit in Audacity, you could do that here as well. But that's useful to know. So it's really just taking a screenshot. So I hope that's helpful. Certainly something I needed to do. I needed to do for a long time actually. It's so useful to be able to extend the frame when you want to talk more about it. So that's it for now, and I'll speak to you later. Bye.